Hello there! In this lesson, we will be going through the branch events. Thinking Cap provides administrators with a method to create events at the branch level that are not related to learning activities. One example of a branch event might be a holiday party your organization is hosting. Our objective today is to help you understand the use case for branch events and create branch events. Let's get started. To begin, log into Thinking Cap with full admin privileges. Once logged in, open the hamburger menu in the top left and expand Resources. And then click Branch Events. This modal will open with a list of any existing events as well as an option to add new events. Each event has a title, a description, a marquee image, a start and end date and time, and a URL learners can visit. You will also see options to change and delete any event. For a learner to see one of these events, they have to have access to a Learner View calendar, such as from the Calendar homepage tile. Want to ensure your learners see these events? It's easy. Just make sure the Calendar tile is enabled for your homepage. To create a new event, click the Add Event button. On this modal, fill out the required information for your event, including the name, description, as well as the start and end date and time. Additionally, you can add a more info URL and a marquee image, and then click the Save button. And that's how to create and manage branch events. Thanks for watching.